what it is, I gotta go get it. They say that yeah, it's me. Hey, I'm praying to God they give me more bands and don't let them play with my throne and never ever see a vacancy. The hood, you make it out, yeah, you made it. You know it's dog eat dog, so you.
All right, we got them seats up in there. We moving along. Do some welding, get it modified. And today I'm gonna run all the wires for the doors. Try to be ahead of the game so when it come back, you know, I can get busy. I don't know, I'm still debating. I think I'm gonna do that Rolls Royce headline up in here. My man's spinning the bag with me. He got 3 cars, so I gotta give him that work though. I gotta give him that work. Boone's Customs, just reach out, y'all. You know, we can make it happen for you. You know. Power locks, power windows, power seats, digital dash. We gonna do it. You see it. You see it now. You see it now. All right, YouTube, we back. I'm gonna go ahead and slap the wires. Get all the wires ran in the door. Try to be ahead of the game so when I get the car back, you know what I'm saying, I'm kind of ahead, but this is where we at right now. You know, we got the seats in there and showed the owner, and I had the headrest in here. The owner said he want to take the headrest out, so when the seats get covered, we'll cover that up, which makes a lot of sense because you can kind of see, basically see the fiberglass work. The headrest was basically covering the art. I call it the art because that's what it is. It's created. You know what I'm saying? So that's how it's gonna be coming at you. It's 8-inch mid-range, pointing, shooting to your left, coming out that window. Then, like I said, we got right here in the middle, we doing the logo. The logo is gonna go there. That's how everything will look molded. It's one piece. So what I'm getting ready to do right now, I'm getting ready to start locking it up. Locking all these pieces that's molded, which is stretched from the fleece. Start getting all that hard. And how I'm building this, it's connected to the box, so on fiberglass, you probably put 4 layers, then come back and just rub resin all over the fiberglass so it'll sink in the spots that's low, you know. So when I get ready to, you know, sand it, I won't have too much Bondo to fill in spots. But I think this thing will probably look dope painted same color as the car. You know, when you do fiberglass, you're not limited on what you can do, so you can either get this covered same color as the interior, or that can be fiberglass painted same color as the car. Let's see. There we are. We'll be back. I'm gonna keep this video and these videos coming, give you guys more video footage. But please, if you like my videos or whatnot, hit that like button, subscribe, and also share. That's where we at. I'm building them. You know, we ain't playing. We up in here working. That's how we get down. That's how we get down. That's where we at. Line up. Chevy, Cutlass, C10 in the back, 6 tray. We got plenty more. Boone's Customs.
See, we customize them over here. Bring them.
Know what it is, I gotta go get it. They say that yeah, it's me. Hey, I'm praying to God they give me more bands and don't let them play.